Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing a special painting that captures the beauty of friendship and the magic of sunset. So let's dive into it. This piece is called as the silhouette of the friendship. It shows two friends standing together, striking playful poses, with a warm, glowing sunset behind them, and the sky fading from a golden orange to calming blue. The silhouettes are painted in bold black, giving a dramatic contrast against the colorful background. I use acrylic for this one, starting with the sky, blending the shades of the orange, peach and deep blue to create a peaceful twilight. What I love most about this painting is the emotion it carries. It's not just two people, it's a memory, a feeling, a celebration of moments shared with the someone close. Art isn't always about the detail, it's about connection, and the silhouettes have a way of saying so much with so little. Next, I added a layer of soft glass. If you enjoy this painting, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what's your favorite memory with your friend. Thanks for watching.